Hi guys, welcome to Life to the Fullest. I'm Alan.
And I'm Drea.
Remember to like and subscribe. We're going to Spain and Portugal. It's going to be Drea's first time in Europe, so yay!
So excited.
But we're going to be seeing Johnny. If you guys have been watching the vlog for a little bit, he's getting married to a wonderful girl. We haven't met her yet. Well, I think Drea met her.
Met her over a video call.
So you guys will see her a little bit, but we're really excited.
It just feels like a dream come true. I've always wanted to go to Europe, and then to be able to go for such a special occasion is really fantastic. The Lord just made it possible for us to go this year, so that's what I'm
Right.
really excited.
Jesus really put it together. But we're actually going to be flying into Portugal first, and then we're going to be driving up to Spain, and then we're there for the wedding, and then we're going to be heading back to Portugal, and then you'll see a little bit more of us hanging out on the beach and stuff.
Welcome to Porto, where the local time is approximately 6:47 a.m.
We made it. Right about
Anyway.
They're in a rental car, and guess who's here? Nate. We're in Galicia, Spain. We're going to be heading on a boat tomorrow. Today. Sorry, jet lag. We're driving to the boat. It's a little stressful. Everything's coming together. We got Nate and Emma in the back.
Our friend there. We'll show you guys what it looks like when we get there.
On Saturday. We're going on that boat. How do you do? These are the brides and grooms.
Yeah, we're excited.
So this is where they keep the mussels, and then they harvest them off of these groves. Those are the mussels, straight out of the ocean. Look up. Good. These are all our friends.
Makes so much fun.
It's been great. We ate so much seafood.
I was just going to say this trip just feels like a gift from the Lord because we really needed an vacation. And we haven't gone on a fun trip together in about 3.5 years.
Right, and I just want to encourage you guys, like, the Lord has good things for you, even if you're going through hard times and financially or whatever that looks like, even physically, the Lord has good things. That's really important to focus on what He's done. And Drea and I have really tried to put that at the forefront. Like everything that we do, it's like always trying to be thankful. And just because you're seeing us do that, I mean, we've gone through some hard patches.
Yep.
But it's just like a kiss from Jesus. So we just thank you so much for being here and calling our journey.
Yeah.
We were talking about beautiful mussels.
Yeah. There's more to come.
We just arrived at the venue. It is incredible, beautiful. We're dressed. Does Drea look beautiful? That's Emma behind us.
Oh my God.
She loves the Lord. But check this out, guys. So Drea's gonna be singing, and she's just practicing right now. But this is such a beautiful place. The wedding is just about to start. Drea's gonna sing. You already heard her practicing. But
Little nervous.
we're really excited. Beautiful. That doesn't mean it's not anointed. Jesus gets.
What do you have?
Su presencia me acompañe donde quiera que tú vayas, que te llene, te rodee, Él va contigo, va contigo. In the morning, in the evening, in your coming, in your going, in your weeping and rejoicing, He is for you, 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 He is for you.
Look at this beautiful Mercedes.
Stunning.
Stunning. We're at a Spanish party.
Yes.
Look at that, beautiful.
Oh man, you can't see me at all.
So we've been eating a lot since we got here, but it was mainly like tapas style for hours, and now we're going to the main event. Everybody is walking down. Andrea got a wine.
You can't. It's fine.
So I was told this place just opened, and it's incredible. It's beautiful. Met so many wonderful people, so kind. Hey, what do you think of this?
Oh my gosh, this is incredible. I'm so excited. I can't believe we're here.
This is the best wedding I've ever been to. Doesn't do it justice. We're driving. It's early in the morning, but last night was amazing. And that Spanish culture, Drea got the full brunt of it, staying up late. But it was so beautiful. We're so excited for Johnny and Ale, and we're heading back to Portugal right now. So we just wanted to. Our camera keeps falling, but just wanted to finish up this video. And we're going to be doing another one in Portugal when we arrive, but I think that's about it.
Yeah, so we're just excited for the next half of our trip. And
yeah,
like Alan said, the wedding was just amazing, impeccable from every moment. From the ceremony to the reception, and we didn't know that Spanish weddings, Brazilian weddings go until about 5 in the morning. So that's when we left around 3. That's the latest we could stay, 3:30. And we woke up at like 6:45 this morning.
yeah.
We didn't go to bed till about 5.
Yeah.
But anyways, it's been a very amazing, fun time so far, and we're excited for the next half.
Yep. And remember to like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and Yeah, tell us about your adventures. We'd love to know what you think of the channel, and if you guys have any questions, we'd love to answer them. All right, have a nice day.